that some call center people are harassing them and asking to pay exorbitant rate of interest. They are also abusing them as a thief or donga, chore, and they have made their life miserable. So based on that, a complaint was registered in cybercrime police station, and based on the telephone number, our people has worked out technically, and a team was sent to Pune, where in Pune, Jia Liang Infotech Private Limited call center in Koregaon Park area near Pune station was raided. In that raid, the call center director Parshuram Lahu Takwe, his wife who is a Chinese national by name Liang Tian, and one Akif Sheikh, HR manager, they were arrested, and from them around 1 crore 42 lakh their bank account was freezed. 105 mobile phones, then laptops, 105 were seized from them, couple of other incriminating documents. From them, it was learned that they are basically, the call center is a service provider to Mumbai-based 4 companies. In that, Ajay Solution is the main company, and there are other companies by name Ipo Go Credit Limited, Binance Information Technology Limited, and True Thai Fintech Private Limited. So then our team has further gone to Mumbai, and yesterday, by conducting raid at Mumbai, Ajay Solutions, they have caught hold of 2 persons. In that, one person by name He Jian, alias Mark, who belonged to Jiangxi of China. He is found to be the representative of Chinese director of these 4 companies in Mumbai, and he is running a show. And along with him, one Vivek Kumar, who is the accountant of Ajay Solution and Ipo Go Credit, he was also arrested. And from them, 4 laptop, 2 mobile phone, iPad, Apple Mini 6Q, passport of this Chinese national, Chinese Citic Bank debit card, and 3 stamps. This is recovery, and 28 crore rupees, which was there in the bank account of this Ajay Solution, that was also freezed. So far around 30 crore we have freezed in the bank. But we found that this He Jian alias Mark, he came on a business visa to Mumbai, India in the month of say June 2019, and from them he is running a show here. This company, they also appointed one Indian director by name Ankur Singh, but in the month of November 2020, Ankur Singh got some doubt, and he resigned from this company. So we will also secure his presence, and will do further investigation. What we found now that this He Jian has been appointed as a main representative by Chinese national by name Su Jingchang and Zhao Qiao. So who are they? How much they have invested in these companies? How they prepared this microfinance online app? So all these things is a part of investigation. We will continue our investigation. So far 24 apps we have identified, namely Crazy Bean, Crazy Rupee, Cash Plus, Rupee Pro, Gold Bowl, First Cash, Real Rupee, then Rupee Most, First Cash, Credit Rupee, Cool Cash, Money Now, Pocket Rupee, Rupee Day, Cash Go, Cash Star, Cash Bowl, Cash Push, Cool Rupee, Money Rupee, Gold Rupee, Money Helper, R Cash, Money Bell. We have already returned to the Google Play Store through our official channel for removal of this app. We are also pursuing the matter even with the Ministry of Information Technology at Delhi regarding this app. Our request to the people, first of all, don't get downloaded this microfinance app through Google Play Store where their address is not there on the site, where their registration is not mentioned, that they are registered with RBI. They may be the bogus, where they are engaging the call center, and the call center people, what they will do, since you, while downloading app, already you have given the right to access your contacts, access your gallery of pictures and videos and all, they will misuse that. They will contact your contacts, and they will defame you in very bad foul language they are using to defame you, and then again you will get mentally unnecessary stress. So better not to go for this microfinance online app where they are not registered as NBFC with RBI. They are not, their credentials are not known. Such app you should not download, and anyone is harassing you for exorbitant rate of interest, very high recovery rate within 7 days, and so you should immediately contact our cybercrime police station. Definitely will help you in stopping further harassment to you, as well as if anyone requires some psychological counseling and all, in that regard also definitely will help you. The good work done by our cybercrime inspector B. Prakash and Vijay Kumar by arresting this Chinese national and one more person from Mumbai is appreciated. They have done it under our supervision of our ACP Harinath and OSD Srinivas of our crime. So we'll continue this work, and some more investigation is definitely required in these cases. Thank you.